so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Whoa! Aloha! It's me, Blippi, and look at where I'm at. Today, I'm on Oahu, which is an island of Hawaii. Wow, isn't it beautiful here? Yeah, the trees are so green, there's so much green grass, and the shrubs and trees look so happy. Whoa! Hey, wouldn't it be really cool to see what this beautiful place looks like from really high in the sky? Yeah, why don't today we ride a helicopter and see what it looks like? And actually, Magnum Helicopters here on Oahu is coming here to give me a ride. Yeah, I'm so excited. Do you hear it? Oh yeah. Oh, there it is right there. Whoa, whoa, it's so high. Whoa, hey up there. Whoa. Wow, I am so excited. I bet everything is gonna look really small from up there. Whoa! Oh, it's landing! Oh! All right. Wow, I'm so excited. All right, now that the rotors are stopped, why don't we go say hi? Whoa, that was really cool. Hey, who are you?
Hi, my name is Doug. I'm the chief pilot of Magnum Helicopters.
Oh, nice to meet you. I'm Blippi. Wow, this is a very cool helicopter. Whoa, how long have you been flying helicopters for?
I've been flying for 20 years.
Wow, 20 years? That's a very long time. Do you know how many hours you have flying helicopters?
I have over 5,000 hours.
Whoa, now that is a lot of hours. Whoa, do you mind if I take a closer look at your helicopter?
Not at all.
Wow, come on. Whoa, what a colorful helicopter. It's the color orange, ooh, and yellow, ooh, and brown. Whoa, hey Doug, what's this thing for?
That's just a step so the passengers can climb up into the helicopter.
Oh, cool. Oh yeah, and it looks like there's some seats back here. Ooh, and some seats up here. Whoa, how many people can fly in this helicopter?
The pilot can bring 4 people with him if he wants.
Wow, cool. And what kind of helicopter is this?
This is an MD-500.
Wow, MD-500. Whoa, and up there, I know what those are. Those are the rotors, right?
That's right.
Wow, and what does this rotor do?
So the rotor, it spins around like a big fan and it blows the air down, creates lift, then lifts the helicopter up off the ground.
Wow, cool. So this main rotor creates lift, so then the helicopter can fly. And there's another rotor back here that I know. Can we check it out?
Yes, sir.
Wow. Yeah, and this rotor is called the tail rotor. Whoa, cool. And what does this do, Doug?
This can spin the helicopter left and right so it can face any direction that we want it to.
All right, so the main rotor creates the lift, and then this rotor, yeah, makes the helicopter turn. Really cool. Oh, and I know what that is. That's the boom, right?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, and is this the number and letters of this exact helicopter?
Yes, sir. They call it the tail number.
Tail number. And I have a fun thing for us to do. Do you mind saying this with me at the same time?
All right.
All right, let's do it. N357MH. Wow, awesome. Whoa, what's this, Doug?
Oh, this is the engine back here. You want to see?
Right. Yeah, I'd love to. All right, this is gonna be so cool seeing the engine of a helicopter. Whoa, come check it out. Whoa, I'm gonna be very careful because it might still be hot. Oh, it looks very complicated. Whoa, and back here, look how dirty it looks. This must be the exhaust. Whoa, thank you so much for letting us check out the engine of that helicopter. Whoa, can we check out the front?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Come on this way.
Wait a second, I know what these are. These are landing skids, right?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, why are they so unique looking compared to an airplane? They have wheels and tires, right?
Right, an airplane has wheels because it has to land moving forward on a runway and has to slow down. But a helicopter can slow down before it lands on the ground and actually go straight down.
Wow, cool. So helicopters can go many, many places because they can land and take off completely vertical like that. Oh, cool. Whoa, and this is where you sit?
Yes, it is.
On this side?
Mm-hmm, that's the pilot seat right there.
Oh, cool. Ooh, and what's this called?
This is called the collective.
Oh, collective. I remember that. That's what controls the vertical lift, right?
Right, makes the helicopter go up and down.
Whoa, cool. And this is the cyclic?
Yes,
And what do you use that for?
that can steer the helicopter.
Whoa, cool. And look at all those gauges. What are all those gauges for?
Oh, we have gauges to keep an eye on the engine, also how high we fly and how fast we're flying.
Wow, they look very complicated. You must be very smart. Wow, and there's different types of helicopters, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like firefighting helicopters, like,
Rescue helicopters.
or police helicopters. And what do you say this is?
This is an air tour helicopter.
Ooh, an air tour. Oh, perfect. I was actually thinking I could go for a ride around here. Whoa, and this would be a great helicopter for it. Because do you see the doors? No, you don't, because there's no doors. Do you mind if we go for a spin?
That'd be great.
All right, where should I sit?
I'll come around here, hop in the front seat with me.
All right, cool. Whoa, so just climb on in?
Sure, climb on up.
All right. Cool. Whoa, it's so high up here. Wow, so cozy. How do I get started?
Well, let's put your seatbelt on. Make sure it's nice and tight.
Okay, just like in a car, gotta buckle up. All right, now what?
Now take that orange headset right there, put that on so we can talk to each other.
Oh, cool. Yeah, orange is one of my 2 favorite colors. All right. Hello. So are you gonna wear one too?
Yes, I will.
All right, let's do this. I'm so excited. Whoa. Whoa, here we go. Wow, it feels so cool to be flying. Whoa, look at those trees to the left. Wow, they're so green. Whoa, check this out. That is a big mountain. Do you see how steep it is? Wow, it goes straight up and down. Whoa, let's head to the ocean. Whoa, check it out. That looks like a small town next to the ocean. Wow, wouldn't it be nice to live there? Whoa, and look over there. There's that big mountain we saw from the ground. Wow, it is so cool how there's trees at the very tippy top of it. Wow, now that is some blue water. Wow, Doug, you are such a great pilot. You brought me all the way out to the ocean. Wow, isn't the ocean so vast? I bet there's a lot of sea creatures that live out here. Wow, look at the top of the mountain. Do you see that town down there? Wow, I bet they have some pretty views. Not like views like these though. It's like we're a bird. Caw-caw. This is so beautiful. Now that is a deep valley. Whoa, and the beaches stretch for so long. Whoa, you can't even see rocks on these mountains. They're totally covered by trees and bushes and grass. I bet there's some animals that live in here. Whoa, check out that waterfall. It is so tall. Wow, it looks like the water starts from the top and falls all the way down to the bottom. Wow, cool. This is so beautiful. It's like I'm a bird just flying anywhere and everywhere I want to go. Well, wherever, Doug, you want to take me. Whoa, the sun is coming out. This is so beautiful. Wow, I bet we could get a suntan today. Hey, Doug, thank you so much for flying so safe. This is so much fun. Whoa, look at this. I can see beach, I can see farmland, I can see mountains. Wow, Oahu is such a special place and so beautiful. Whoa, do you see that? Yeah, it looks like something's in the water. Oh, I know what that is. That's coral. Yeah, they're actually living organisms and they look so cool from the air. Whoa, look at all these instruments and gauges. They are very hard to read, but they tell the pilot very important information. Wow, look at Doug use that cyclic so then we can fly real safe. Whoa, what are these things? They're circles. But wait a second, what is this? Oh, I know what this is. This is a sandbar. Yeah, that's just sand underneath the water, but just a little bit underneath the water. Whoa, check this out. This is the University of Hawaii's island. This is where they study a lot of cool things, like marine life, creatures, and plants. It's really cool. Oh, there's the patch of ground that we took off from. Oh, I bet Doug is gonna land right here. Whoa! This was so much fun! Wow, and now we're back safe on the ground. Wow, that was so much fun. Thanks for the ride, Doug.
You're welcome, Blippi.
All right, see you later.
Bye-bye.
Oh, let's get out of here. He has another tour to go on. Whoa! That was so much fun, wasn't it? I know. Wow, we got to see a lot of cool things. We got to see that waterfall. Whoa, that water looks so fresh. Oh, and all that coral? Yeah, at the beach? Wow, I sure do love Hawaii. Wow, what a beautiful place. See it spinning up? Wow! And weren't those mountains really tall? They're way taller when you're up in the high sky, huh? Whoa! They're spinning so fast! I hope the next tour, they have a great time. Whoa! I sure do love Hawaii, and I loved learning how helicopters work with you. Whoa! Well, if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. Good job. All right. Aloha.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!